Good morning, everyone. I'm Lino Virano, and I'm here to cook our original recipe, which is fried squid with vegetable salsa. Before we start, I will introduce our ingredients. First is 2 pieces medium size of squid sliced, 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar, green and red bell pepper finely diced, cauliflower sliced. Um, Next is medium sized cabbage strips and 1 can mushroom thin slice, 3 cloves of garlic. The other one is minced and the other one is grated. And next is 1 bulb white onion thin slice, 2 tablespoon margarine, 1 bottle of Mang Tomas all around tarta, salt and pepper, 1 cup of water, cooking oil, and soy sauce. Okay, next we will marinate the squid. First, put the salt, the next soy sauce, and the grated garlic. And put some small amount of ground pepper. Now we will fry the squid and we will put the oil for deep fry. Just wait a couple of minutes to heat the oil. Okay, put the squid on the pan and wait until it's golden brown. Okay, when it's cooked, set aside the fried squid. Cook the vegetable salad.
And then I'm going to first heat the pan, put the margarine, there is milk, then saute the garlic, put the onion, add the mushroom, next add the bell pepper,
After simmering, add the mang tomato all around pasta. Make sure to mix it well and wait until it simmers. Okay, next is add the water. Cover the pan and let it boil. Next is add the cauliflower and the cabbage. Pan. Put a small amount of salt and pepper according to your taste. Okay, here we go. This is our finished product, the fried squid with vegetables.